Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon to everybody who's watching our video. And welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. It's me, Vichy Kevin. And in this video, it's about Walmart and it's on how you guys can log in into a Walmart account. But before that, if you guys do not know what Walmart is, then Walmart is like a department store located in USA, alright? So it's spread out in USA. It has a lot of branches in USA and a lot of states of USA, alright? So that's the basic definition of it. If you guys want to know more about it, then you guys can visit its official website. And if you guys log in into Walmart, then basically you guys can order stuff from Walmart online as well. So if you guys want to order stuff on online, then basically you need to log in into your account first. And how you guys can do that is by watching the video until the end, so follow the step. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's get right into the video. First step is you want to search for Walmart login. After you search for Walmart login, you want to click on login Walmart over here. After you click on login Walmart, it's going to take you to the login page of Walmart. You want to enter the email address and password of your Walmart account. After doing that, you want to click on sign up and you should be able to log in into your Walmart account. And if you guys are not able to log in into your Walmart account, then basically your email address or your password is incorrect. So make sure to double check and enter the correct information, because the only way you guys can log in into your account is by entering the correct information over here. So if you guys enter the correct information, then you should be able to log in into your Walmart account. And if you guys forgot the password of your Walmart account, you can always click on forgot password to recover the password of your Walmart account as well. And if you guys do not have a Walmart account and you want to create one, then you can click on create account to create yourself a Walmart account as well. So these are the way on how you guys can log in into your Walmart account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, it's me, Vichy Kevin. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Peace out.